Welcome, it's Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. If you're watching the replay, thank you for watching the replay. Make sure you give me a hashtag replay. Tonight we are going to be doing something called October 31st. So, hey everyone, welcome. As you come in, please make sure you say hello. I am in my PJs tonight. I came home from work. I am off tomorrow. I do have a sip and chalk tomorrow, but I came home and I said, I want to relax. It's the first day of fall, so happy fall. And I threw on my happy camper PJs because my husband is at our camper and I am home, and I said, I'm going to go live chalking in my PJs. So you get to see me in my PJs, right? How fun is that? So, let's get this party started. And for those of you that are new, let me share a little bit about what this is. This is called Couture. We are a revolutionary concept in DIY home decor and crafting that you're not going to find anywhere else. We offer a line of silkscreen reusable transfers. We have a line of Chalkology chalk paste, and we have our Couture inks. We offer several different surfaces through our company, like chalkboards, box frames, wall canvases, canvas pillows. We have a tote and a few others. And then we also offer an innovative ground floor business opportunity for just $99. And you can do what I do live on Facebook. You can do craft shows. You can do sip and chalks like I do as well. A lot of different business opportunities. And if you are a blogger, craft blogger, DIY blogger, please make sure you reach out to me, because this is an awesome opportunity for just $99. So that's what Couture is. How exciting is that, you guys? All right, let me put myself in my PJs up there in the corner, and let's get this party started.
Guess who's also here?
There he is. He's in his PJs too. So again, as you come in, please make sure you say hello. Let me know where you're watching from. I always like to welcome our new watchers and also our loyal watchers. Thank you guys so much. And if you do like what you see in the bottom left-hand corner of your mobile devices is a share button. Please give Matthew and I a share tonight, because that's the greatest compliment you can give us. So today, because it is the first day of fall, I thought I would do something for Halloween. This is our October 31st transfer. And when you buy our transfers right online, what's really nice is all the directions are right on back. These are silkscreen reusable transfers. So you usually can get anywhere from 8 to 15 uses out of one of these transfers. So it tells you how to peel, apply, remove, clean, dry, and store. It's super easy, and you're going to see how this process works. So let me get this out of the packaging. Put that aside. I'm going to make sure I write on the back of my carrier sheet. So this is our October 31st, because once I'm done doing this design for you, I have a little tub of water off to the side. Actually, Matthew, please get me some water, because I forgot to do that. Just fill it a little bit, babe. I'll throw my transfer in that water. I will clean it up with Lysol or Clorox wipes. I will let it air dry for a few minutes, and then I'll put it right back on this carrier sheet. Now, tonight I am going to be using, this is actually our Greyson 9x12 chalkboard. This one is the black frame, and if you saw the other day when I did this, this is our white frame. So it comes in either or, black or white. And you guys, these boards are absolutely amazing, and the price for these are fantastic. It's $19.99 for one of these chalkboards, and I can tell you, if you go to Michael's or Hobby Lobby, you can definitely get a great chalkboard for, if not more, maybe the same price. So definitely something you can buy straight through me, and I'll put my website up there in case you're interested in looking. Sorry, just want to make sure we don't have a water catastrophe off to the side here. And but they're a really great deal, and it's got everything you need to hang it up, either vertical or horizontal. So super awesome chalkboard that you can purchase right through our company. Now, when I want to use a transfer, what I always like to do to get started is I always flip my transfer over to the back side. I'm going to peel off a corner, and then I'm going to remove my carrier sheet just like that. And I'm going to put this off to the side. Okay. Now, being this is a brand new transfer, what I like to do is something called fuzzing it up. And all that means is, let me grab my towel, is I'm going to get a terry cloth towel and I'm just going to put my transfer right on there because it's really super sticky the first time you get it. And sometimes it's a little bit harder to peel off if you don't fuzz it up. So that's all I'm doing is fuzzing this up. And then I will remove my transfer just like that. All right. I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it right where I want it on my chalkboard. And now if you watch the beginning of the video, like I said, you can do this on many different surfaces. You can do this on wood. You could do this on a pillowcase. You can do this on dry erase boards. So if you have any questions about that, please ask and I will answer those questions as they come in. Or if it's after the video, I will make sure I answer those as quickly as I can. Now you want to make sure you smooth out the silk screen area so that there are no air bubbles within that. So I'm just pushing this out so I don't have any air bubbles in that silk screen area. So what is everybody doing tonight? Are you excited that today is the first day of fall? Actually, can you believe today is the first day of fall? Because I truthfully cannot believe it is the first day of fall already. I mean, this year is like flying by. All right, so I think I'm pretty good and I don't see any air bubbles. You know what? Speaking of transfers, really quick. Something I want to mention to you. We just released a celebration suite. It's a holiday celebration suite that we just released. And there is a transfer. This transfer right here, you guys. I know you're probably thinking, what? Really, Jen? Christmas? This is our Christmas countdown transfer. So the top part obviously says Christmas countdown, and then it has all your dates on the bottom. For those of you who are Christmas fanatics or you love doing like the Christmas countdown with your family, I am telling you right now that transfer is probably going to sell out quick. Reason being, everybody loves a holiday calendar. Now you do need a very large chalkboard, like you would probably need a 24 by 36 chalkboard for that design, but I'm telling you it's going to be awesome. I'm going to do a video with it for you, but I just wanted to show it to you because if you want to get ready for the holiday season, that's a great transfer. And again, it's called our Christmas countdown. All right, so just wanted to point that out to you real quick. So again, as you come in, please make sure you say hello. I love to welcome my guests that come in and watch the video. And Matthew already went upstairs, you guys, so.
You need my help?
No, we're good, babe, but I just wanted to let them know you just went upstairs. So I am going to be using 4 different colors for this design in our chalk paste. So I'm going to be using the grape soda, our orange. My lids are kind of sticky. This is our kiwi, and then I'm going to be using white, okay? So all I want to do when I get my chalk paste is I want to make sure I stir these up. These are water-soluble and semi-permanent, and you want to make sure that they are of a yogurt sour cream consistency. Now, sometimes when you open your chalk paste, you might see like some of the pigments from like settling. So that's why you want to stir it up to make sure all the pigments are blended so you get that great vibrant color that you're looking for. And this one looks pretty good. Then I got my orange. And my orange is always like this after it sits a few days. Sounds like it's crunchy. It's not crunchy. Actually, it's pretty good and it's a nice consistency as well. And then I'm going to get my grape soda and stir that up. These all look great. These all look like they're a really great consistency, so I'm really happy with how they look. All right, so I'm going to set these over here. Now the way I'm going to do this, and let me take this off of here so you can see the whole thing while we're doing our design. I'm going to do grape soda, orange, kiwi. Grape soda, orange, kiwi. Okay, but while I'm doing this, I'm actually, because the chalk paste tends to dry a little bit quicker, I'm going to see if I can do the whole thing as quick as I can. And then if not, we might have to wash it off. But let's see how it goes. Let's just go with it. And I'm just going to get some chalk paste on my squeegee. And then I'm going to pull it across that silk screen area. Getting serious, you guys. And then I got this one. Oh, I got it on there. Darn it. That's okay. Okay. I got my grape, and then I'm going to go orange, right? And when you're doing this, you want to make sure you are pulling your chalk paste like you're scraping it, because you want to make sure you're applying pressure and getting it within that silk screen area when you're doing this. I just love these colors. So like I said, please make sure you say hello to me as you come in. I'd like to welcome you. It is Saturday evening, and I am off tomorrow, and I am so excited. I have a fun sip and shot coming up tomorrow here locally. I like getting together with people and sharing Chalk Couture and creating beautiful designs for the upcoming holidays. And that's one of the benefits about having a Chalk Couture business, is you can do that. You don't have to, but it is what I like to do. This is going to be a quick design because I want to make sure I work quick, you guys. All right, and then I'm going to do my 31st in orange. Like I said, if this doesn't turn out because it dries, then I'm going to go ahead and we can redo it if we need to. This is our multi-purpose tool. And you know what I love about this tool is because I can get into these kind of tight areas that you can see here. And that's why I love this tool, because it's small enough. Yeah, I got some orange on there. That's all right. Yeah, this here isn't going to be good. But that's okay. It'll still look nice. We'll see what you guys think. Hey, Maria, welcome. Thanks for watching. Got to concentrate here now, because I'm getting into these tight little areas. And like I said, I have a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to get through there. I might not get through this little area here, you guys. We might have a little bit of a purple line down here. That's okay. No biggie. No biggie. If I want to, I can fix it. We'll see how it goes. All right. So I'm going to peel my transfer. I'm just going to get a corner. I'm going to pull it up to get the other corner, because you always want to make sure you try to peel the whole transfer and don't peel corner to corner, because they are silk screens and they can stretch. Okay. Oh, that looks so good. That purple is so awesome. There's our orange. There's our October 31st. Oh, it looks good, you guys. It looks perfectly fine. Ta-da! All right, look at that. Now I've got a cute sign for the upcoming Halloween season. Do you love it? Now look what I did. I got it on myself, number one. Just got my Clorox wipe, wiped it off. I don't know if you guys can see that. I got some right here on the bottom of my board and on my chalkboard. Again, just going to get my wipe, and I can totally wipe this off. Now, if I want to make this design permanent, I absolutely can. Once this is dry, which will only take a few minutes, or I can take a hair dryer to it, I can absolutely make it permanent though by using this. This is just a Krylon satin crystal clear sealer. I would take it outside. I would just spray my whole board once this is dry, and that would seal it to make it permanent if I wanted to do that. If not, if at any point in time I want to change this out, let me show you how that works. So I'm just going to set that to the side. I'm going to move my chalk paste out of the way, and I'm going to show you how you can remove a design. Hey Debbie, welcome. Thanks for watching. So this was a design I did the other day. Sorry, I just want to get this all out of your way. And if I wanted to change this out, I haven't sealed this, okay? I'm just going to take a little bit of water. I'm going to spray it all over. And you guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. I would love to answer those for you, whether it be about the products, whether it be about the business. It is entirely up to you. I would love to answer those. So now I've got my board just sitting here a little bit. I'm going to take a Clorox wipe. I'm applying a little bit of pressure to my chalkboard. And look at that. I can totally take this design off. And now I have a brand new surface that I can chalk on. And what's really nice about that is, like, there's, I'm going to be setting up if you're local to me, like if I wanted to do a monthly chalking club where we could get together with your friends, all you would have to do is buy one chalkboard, and then each and every month you can change out your design. So each and every holiday, you guys, you could change out your design. So how great is that? Little bit of water, it comes right off. And Clorox wipes. I think I have stock in Clorox wipes right now. But that's it. That's how you clean off your surface. And now I completely can do a new design on this. So what do you think? Do you love it? Look how easy that was. And you know what's really cute? So you just saw me take that off of there. If I wanted to just remove this, I totally could. And then we have a lot of cute, like, little transfers. So if I wanted to just put the word inspire in there instead of October 31, you could do that. You could change this up for, like, the Christmas season. So if I wanted to do, like, red, green, white, and then I could put the word joy in the middle. I could do that. This is also a cute one. This one here is actually currently out of stock, but it's coming back, I think, next Monday. But again, you could put the word together in the center instead of October 31. So you can absolutely, like, mix and match our transfers as well. So something cool to think about. Like I said, you can purchase all of these products that I did use today right on my website at chalkandwithjen.com. If you have any questions, you guys, please let me know. Again, I'd love to answer those for you. And if you're watching the replay, make sure you give me a hashtag replay. And I hope you love our October 31st Halloween design tonight. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I hope you enjoyed it. And happy chalking, you guys. Stay tuned. Again, tomorrow I do have a sip and chalk, so I will be posting some pictures of their finished designs. So have a good evening and happy Saturday. Good night.